Hi, it's Brooke with WTI, and it's time to get excited about cleaning.
And that is what I've been lately, is very happy to clean because of ScrubWiz's electric spin mop with this water sprayer. It does such a thorough job, and I love not having to bend down. I can be very comfortable, and I love that it spins and gets all that dirt and grime that I usually have stuck on the bottom of my feet if my floors aren't clean. I really love the quality of this electric spin mop because it lasts for a very long time. It's easy to use. It's not incredibly heavy. It comes with a charger and adapter that's already included. The red light indicates that it's charging. Easy to fill up tank with either water or cleaning solution, and just a gorgeous spin where it works so hard. And then the sprayer button, so I'm in complete control. And I can easily remove these pads and wash them and clean them. So this is a new way of cleaning for me with my floors. It is not complicated, but it is definitely elevated. I'm enjoying a much cleaner space and have more of a desire. Another perk is that this is such a well-made product, and it came so nicely packaged, and it's really easy to install. So I definitely highly recommend it for its durability and its cleaning capability.
I love this, but that's just my point of view.